In this video, we'll be installing copper compression lugs on a 225 amp NQ panel board. Let's see what's in the box. The first step is to remove the lugs that came on the panel board. This is done using an Allen wrench. The lugs that you removed and the hardware that you removed can be discarded. The next step is to install two phase insulators, one on the A phase and one on the C phase. The next step is to open the bag assembly that contains the hardware that came with the kit. The hardware is contained on a card. On the card, it details the torque required for each of the connections that you're going to use with this hardware. The next step is to grab the lug pad. This is what the crimp lug will install onto. And you'll need 2 of the 6 screws that are on the hardware card. You'll now repeat this for each phase. With the last piece of hardware in the kit, we'll install the neutral lug. Next, we'll place the 3 lugs, 1 per phase. We'll then use 1 each of the caps nuts that comes with the kit to secure the lug. I'm now torquing each connection to the required specification per the instructions.